I already prepared my water and I'm just gonna prepare my gym bag. Anyways, I'm not gonna bring any extra clothes. I'm gonna bring my keys. And of course, I'm gonna bring my lip gloss. Para kahit haggard na. Okay pa dito. And that's it for my gym bag. Hi guys, we're done. Grabe. We're done, y'all. Hi guys, we're done. We're on the way home. Finally. Done.
That is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much. 2, 1.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's already 2:40ish p.m. right now. And we have a nails appointment at 3:30 p.m. First time namin magpapa-nails doon. And I-recommend lang siya ng friendly mommy. So we're just gonna try it, guys. Hi y'all! We're in downtown right now. We're just gonna eat pasta. Kasi lalabas ko siya kasi birthday niya. Yun na lang yung gift ko. Hoy! Joke lang.
Hindi guys, papahirapan niya ka din.
You don't allow to work here. Yeah, it's okay. But maybe I still I heard so
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Lagi na ako kasi sinabi may surprise pa yan.
So you shouldn't cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be back. Sisigaw ang pangalan mo.
Tulad ng damdamin ko kahit umusan mo ng luti.
Ang ano atis.
Ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho.
Ko'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Aray.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Wish ka na pa. Wish ka na kayo. Wish ka na.
footsteps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breeze, it's lifting us high. We're chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat.
Ng grill. Kunti lang maluluto dyan.
Kuya, saan natin ito itatali?
Teka, ako na.
Saan tayo?
Ayan.
Oo.
Pero,
Wala tayong palakad.
hindi mo dyan ka sa ano?
Saan?
Saan? Wait mo, boss.
Angel.
Hi, guys. Ay! Sorry.
Alam mo kung lamang matibay yung upuan, pwede. Saan?
Baka yung pang vlog.
Yun.
Good job.
Pang-feel daw.
Ay, ate! Wala libre dyan.